Hello everyone, hope you guys are having a great time. So in this video I'm going to be talking about the 3 ways of steering your car properly. So I'll be explaining all 3 methods with its advantages and disadvantages. So before starting the video, if you guys are new here, consider subscribing. Here I'll be uploading driving tips and tricks and informative videos related to cars. So let's get into POV driving and learn in details. So guys, the first method of steering your car is hand over hand. In this method we will pull hand over hand like this. Second way of steering your car is push and pull. In this method we will push and pull. So this method is called push and pull method. And the third method of steering your car is wiping the steering. In this method we will only use single hand and we will just wipe the steering like this. So out of these 3 methods of steering, my best one is the hand over hand, because it's the quick and easy way of steering your car. So most of the people say that push and pull method is one of the best way of steering, but I don't think so, because if you follow push and push technique, then if you have to take a sharper turn, on that case it will be little bit more time consuming than hand over hand, because you need to pull and push and pull and push, and it will be more time consuming than hand over hand method. And the last method of steering is wiping the steering. I don't think this is the best way of steering, because you have to use only the single hand, and steering with only a single hand can be a little bit more dangerous. I think the third method is best suitable when you have to reverse your car. On that case you can put one hand to the passenger seat and you can turn back and steer with the single hand. And guys, the best placement for your hand on the steering wheel is 9 and 3. Consider this steering wheel as a clock, and you place your left hand on the 9 and you place your right hand on the 3. 9 and 3 method. This is the best way of placement of your hand on the steering wheel. So guys, now I will show you by driving and show that how easy it is to steer with the hand over hand steering method. So guys, always place your hand on 9 and 3 position. Many people say that you need to place your hand on 10 and 2 position, but I don't think this is the safe way of placing your hand on the steering wheel, because in case in an accident, if your airbag blows, you may hurt in your hand. So always place your hand on the 9 and 3 clock position. If you want to change the direction slightly, you can simply move the steering wheel a little bit. No need to do a hand over hand on that case. If you have to take a complete turn, only then you need to do hand over hand. So if you have to change the direction slightly, you can simply move the steering wheel. There is no need to use the pull and push and hand over hand, any sort of steering method. So here I am changing the direction slightly, so on that case I can simply move the steering wheel slightly. From here I will be turning left, hand over hand. So from here I will be turning right, hand over hand. So guys, hand over hand is the best method, because if you have to take some sharper turns, this is the best method for turning the steering wheel. So from here I'll be turning left like this, hand over hand. So guys, from here I'll be turning right, hand over hand, hand over hand. So from here I'll be turning right, hand over hand. So this is the best way of steering if you are steering on the sharper turns. So when you are moving straight, place your hand on the 9 and 3 position. So from here I'll be turning left, hand over hand. So guys, this is how you steer your car properly. Hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, don't forget to like the video, and if you guys are new here, consider subscribing. Here I'll be uploading driving tips and tricks and informative videos related to cars. Thank you so much for watching. Drive safe and take care.